garlic eggplant tomato rice casserole, or garlic eggplant tomato rice pot, or garlic aubergine tomato rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes, and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes, and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes, and one of the most unique of the eggplant recipes, and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes. We're going to make garlic aubergine tomato rice casserole, or garlic eggplant tomato rice casserole. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of eggplant or aubergine cut into pieces, and 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into small pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. Let it soften. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Put in the ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in salt taste, salt, salt and mix thoroughly. A spoon of spice mix. Mix. Put in the eggplant pieces or aubergine pieces. Thoroughly mix. Put in the tomato paste. Thoroughly saute and mix in the casserole. Saute and mix for 6 to 8 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Now pour in 2 cups of water into the eggplant mixture. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes, 20 minutes in the casserole. Cooking for the required time. Put in the curry leaves and let it cook for around 30 seconds and take off the flame. Now Now the garlic eggplant tomato rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic eggplant tomato rice casserole or garlic eggplant tomato rice ball or garlic aubergine tomato rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the eggplant recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant casserole and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.